Hi everybody, welcome back to Claudette's Charms. Just doing a quick video. I know it's been a while. It's been about 3 months since I've been on here, but I've been busy. Welcome all my new subscribers. Thank you guys for clicking on the video. I appreciate you all. And sorry I've been away, but this week I'm going to be uploading 3 videos. I'm going to film them today and then upload them during the week. So if you see the same clothes on me, that's why. Anyway, I've been busy working on corner to corner C2C squares for blankets, and I've got my first one done here. My flowers, spring flowers I guess you could call it. I've got pansies and tulips and all kinds of stuff, and roses. There's my teal sunburst. I just made that one up, and it was really fun. And I have all the free patterns on my blog with instructions and tutorials on how to do corner to corner. Some are mine and some are other people's tutorials. And they're also listed in my playlist here. So I hope you can see these. Let me show you up close. This is my first one, my lilac rose. And then we've got the pink flower, the yellow center, my peach tulip, and we've got the little blue buds, pansy. I'm not sure what this was supposed to be, but I just kind of made this one up and winged it. And these are 20 tiles each. They measure 15 by 15 for each square. These are my burgundy roses. Sorry, it's kind of hard to show you. And then my sunburst, teal sunburst. When it's finished, the blanket measures approximately 46 by 46. There's 9 squares, and like I said, they total 15 by 15 each if you wanted to do a pillow or a small wall hanging, anything your little heart desires. Like I said, the patterns are on my blog, claudettecharms.com. I'll link it below, and the PDF printable versions are available for $1.49 on my Etsy shop, in my Etsy shop. I'll put the link below. And it was really fun doing these. I love corner to corner. I'm totally hooked now. And I've got another farm animal blanket coming out. I'm going to upload that video in a couple of days. And then I'm going to be working on a harvest one for the fall. And I'm doing some other stuff, some works in progress that I'll be filming a video about too. I'm doing some other projects, so stay tuned for those. I hope everybody's been well and happy during all this chaotic COVID crap. I can't wait for it to be over, but anyway, update on my family. We're talking about moving to North Carolina, possibly, getting out of this heat in Florida. I know it's hot in the summer in North Carolina, but not all year like here. We missed the seasons. We came from Colorado, so not missing the snow, but we're missing the seasons. So we're thinking of the Raleigh area, Durham, that area, the triangle of North Carolina. Kind of waiting for some of this COVID to blow over before we actually pull the trigger on that. But that's what we're thinking about. I hope everybody's been well, like I said. And thank you so much for clicking on my video and subscribing to my channel. Like the video if you so choose. And like I said, all the links will be below. And I hope you make a blanket. Make a flower blanket or a farm animal blanket. I've got all kinds of blankets on there and squares that you can make, like I said, into pillows, seat cushions, wall hangings, anything else. And there's some other videos on my blog, tutorials from my YouTube channel about circular knitting machines, and also Tunisian crochet. I've done a little bit of that, and yeah, all kinds of fun stuff. So I'll see you guys in a couple of days with the next video. Thanks again for tuning in. Have a great day. Bye-bye.